Hello guys, how's it going? Today we will look at the rjust method in Python. Now the rjust method will write align the string using a specified character. By default the fill character is space. So this is how the syntax look like. As we can see we have two parameters. The first one is required and it is a width of the return string. Now the second one is optional and it is a character that is filling the missing space, and the default is space, and the filling is done to the left side of the string. Now the method will return the string with right justified in a string of length width. Now padding is done using the specified fill character, and the original string is returned if width is less than the length of the original string. So this seems very similar to the left just method, and you're right. The only difference is that the padding or the filling the characters is done to the left side of the string instead of the right side. So let's look at some examples. In the first example, we did not specify the fill characters. So if you run this, we can see that the return string is of length 20, and the padding is done to the left side of the original string. That is a space. So of course, if we change this, the padding will change to the underscore because we specified the fill character as underscore. Now, if we specify the width uh, as something smaller than the width of the original string, nothing will happen. And we can even see that if we change the fill character, we can see that still the return string is basically the same as the original one. But once we change this to something bigger, we can see that the string is of length 10, and basically the padding is done to the left side of the string with the specified character. Yeah, so this is the righteous method, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching.